In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the TradingView app on your laptop, whether you're using Windows, Mac, or Linux. Let's dive right in to get you set up quickly and efficiently. First, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to TradingView.com desktop. Once there, you'll notice a download button specifically tailored for your operating system, whether that's Windows, Mac, or Linux. Simply click on the download button to get things started. If you're using a Windows computer, here's what you need to do next. After clicking the download button, your web browser will begin downloading the installer file. This file typically lands in your downloads folder. You'll want to navigate to this folder and double-click on the installer file to open it. Now just follow the on-screen instructions that appear. It's usually straightforward, just clicking next and agreeing to the terms and conditions. Once that's done, the TradingView app will finish installing and you're good to go. For those using a Mac, the process is just as simple. Start by downloading the Mac OS app installer from the same page. When the download is complete, open the installer. You'll see the TradingView app icon. All you need to do is drag this icon into your applications folder. This action will install the app on your system, and you'll be ready to launch TradingView from your applications folder. As for Linux users, your approach requires a bit more attention to detail depending on your more specific distribution. After visiting tradingview.com/desktop, you may need additional instructions. Often, package managers like Snapcraft offer detailed guidance tailored for different Linux distributions. Be sure to follow these instructions carefully for a smooth installation. Now, if you're on Windows and prefer an alternative method, you can install TradingView via the Microsoft Store. Simply open the Microsoft Store app on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. In the search bar, type TradingView, and you should see the option to install the application. Click Install, and once the process is finished, you can launch the TradingView app directly from your Start menu or desktop. And there you have it. TradingView is now ready to help you dive into the world of trading analysis. Whether you're managing trades or exploring new markets, TradingView is a powerful tool to have at your fingertips. If you have any questions or run into issues during installation, feel free to reach out for help or check out TradingView's support resources for more detailed guides. Enjoy exploring the features and capabilities of TradingView on your preferred platform.